The common issue with ductwork and crawl spaces is they rust a lot because of the moisture content that stays in crawl spaces. You'll go down and you'll see a bunch of pinholes through the ductwork itself. The best way to correct that is to correct the water issue and then replace the ductwork that has the rust and damage on it. Once you take care of the water issues in the crawl space, then it reduces any chances of having ductwork issues in the future. When you're in a crawl space, a lot of people love running everything through the crawl space because it doesn't have to be pretty, because no one really gets in there. So when you go in there, it literally looks like a child put most of the stuff together. Your ductwork's in there, it's all laying down because they don't put the joists, they don't put the joist hangers, they don't do anything to make it look nice because no one sees it. So a lot of people use crawl spaces to run all that, but a crawl space is basically just a shorter basement with no floor. So if you have rooms above it, you have to run it through here. The building we have here is a crawl space, and the vents are on the floor coming through the crawl space as well. So when you have damaged ductwork in a crawl space, you're gonna know it pretty quick because you're gonna get the smell that comes through the vents. You're gonna get that mold smell, you're gonna get that dirt smell, that earthy smell that comes through because of the holes. So you're gonna find out pretty quick you have an issue, because the rest of your house is gonna smell like your crawl space.